guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Mazda, today will be super helpful video to you guys. If you have any Mazda such as 2, 3, 5, 6 guys, Mazda CX-3, CX-5, CX-7 guys, and your radiator fan doesn't work or the car is overheating and you're wondering if the fan works, we'll show you guys how to test the fan and how to test the fan control module and the different speeds today. That's super simple. You can do it with the help of that scanner guys without even removing the fan. So make sure you stay with us until the end. In addition guys, quick introduction, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below, let us know if the video was helpful or if you want to see any certain repairs on any vehicle guys. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we will be working on a 2010 Mazda CX-7, but it will be the same for almost all Mazdas. This is guys the fan control module, okay, right here usually. Somewhere it will be installed on the fan. This car has double fan, so if both of the fans don't work, most likely it's a bad relay, bad fuse or a bad control module, or this one here. So this video guys will show you how we are going to test them now. So this is the scanner, okay, you can find it, list it, and the link will be in the description of the video below for your convenience. Okay, it comes with a programming device, quite a few things, so you just connect it to the OBD port of your Mazda. Next, okay, what we will need to do, just enter the vehicle. We will need to install, put the key in, turn ignition on. Okay, great. Now, these two guys, this is like a dealer level 2 for almost any car you can think of, not just Mazda guys. Check this thing out. You can read, delete codes from every module, you can do active testing, you can program different modules, so super helpful too. What I do, I just click VIN, auto detect, it's going to detect which vehicle we have now. On its own, and it will ask us to confirm the VIN number, and this is the correct VIN number. Okay, and next it will decode the information, give us the vehicle that we have. We need to confirm that this is the correct one. Now it may ask you a few more questions usually, what options you may have. Okay, it's not equipped with advanced keyless entry. After that, okay, you can see it just has a little bit of wait time because it's loading all the data for the Mazda software guys. So it's communicating with the car computers now, establishing communication. Super smart little device. And it will be any second now. We click diagnostics, we select control unit. Right here we select power train control module, this is your engine computer. And under that we'll click active test. Now it will check all the different components that we can test, all the different items, and it will give us the list in just a few seconds, probably takes about 5 seconds. You can see how quick it is. Now we can scroll to the right, okay, and we're going to click variable fan duty cycle. This is your radiator fan. And here now, okay, let me explain. You can test the different speeds. So I'm going to start from 0 and gradually increase it by 10%, okay, until we get to 80%, okay, and we'll see if the fan works. So what I like about it too guys, okay, it's wireless, so I can just take it with me now and I can go under the hood and observe the fan spinning, okay, and see if it actually works. So let's go ahead and start now. Okay, I'm going to click 10%. 20%. So you can see guys, that fan definitely works, the speeds and everything works. So if your car is still overheating, you have a problem somewhere else, it's not that. If the fan doesn't turn on at all, maybe it's a bad box. bad control module, bad relay, or bad fuse, any of these three, guys. Because we have a dual fan, most likely, guys, one of them will still work. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys having problems with your Mazda. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.